until I'm drenched in sweat. And on the side. Oh my god, this is like. Oh, I miss my mom. Not even just fucking 7 years old. I've never made. I want to do. I learned how to bounce that shit. Isn't a good. With like my mental health, a bitch, not gonna lie to you, like the thoughts of doing something like running as hard as I woke up, boom, immediately. I need to. I did not. I think we had this converse feels so fucking literally ended all just a little bit sad. It doesn't even want to or anything at all sexy. Either way is like super buying a ticket for my first solo trip. I don't know. That'd be such a cool. Okay, so I decided I had so and so like literally. I think I would. I mean, like, look at my favorite white boy. Next. Oh, this one's like. Okay, hold on.
Wait, I need to put my piercing on. Hold on. This is the jewelry.
Dominic fight drawbacks because I heard. Off, not just saying we're odd here. Used to it. Like, I basically went. Wait, hold on. Is he straight? Anything more than that? And afterwards, I'm not gonna lie to you. A million.
I don't wear jackets. And that's not good. It's not good at all.